You're about to discover something that the expensive supplement industry desperately hopes you never learn. The most powerful weapons against sarcopenia, that muscle-wasting condition that steals your independence after 60, aren't found in $100 protein powders or specialty health stores. They're sitting in the discount section of your local grocery store, costing less than $3 a pound. Here's what nobody tells you about sarcopenia. After 60, you're losing 3 to 8% of your muscle mass every decade. By 70, you've lost enough muscle that simple tasks like getting out of a chair become challenging. By 80, many people have lost so much muscle that they can't live independently. But this isn't inevitable. It's not even normal in cultures where people eat differently than we do. The truth is, reversing sarcopenia doesn't require exotic foods or expensive interventions. It requires specific nutrients delivered in forms your aging body can actually use. And the cheapest foods often deliver these nutrients better than their expensive counterparts. What I'm about to share could literally add years to your life and life to your years, all while cutting your grocery bill in half. Let me start with the most powerful and cheapest muscle-building food you can buy. Chapter 1: Eggs. If there is one simple, inexpensive food that deserves the title of nature's gift to seniors, it's the egg. At first glance, it may seem like just another breakfast staple, but inside its shell lies one of the most complete and powerful sources of nutrition to fight sarcopenia, the silent thief of strength after 60. Here's the truth. After age 60, your body starts losing 1 to 2% of muscle mass each year. That may not sound like much, but over a decade it can mean losing up to 20% of your strength. Suddenly, walking upstairs feels harder, carrying groceries is a challenge, and even getting out of a chair becomes an effort. This is why I call sarcopenia a hidden danger, a health time bomb ticking quietly in the background. But the good news is, you don't need expensive powders or miracle cures to fight it. You need eggs. Why eggs? Because they are one of the very few foods that provide all 9 essential amino acids in perfect balance. These amino acids are the bricks your body uses to repair and rebuild muscle. For seniors, this is critical, because as we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein. That means we need protein sources that are not only rich but also easy to absorb. Eggs deliver exactly that, highly bioavailable protein that your body knows how to use quickly. Each egg gives you about 6 to 7 grams of protein, along with vital nutrients like vitamin D for bone strength, choline for brain health, and selenium to support your immune system. Isn't it amazing that a food that costs less than a cup of coffee can nourish your muscles, your mind, and your immune defenses all at once? Now, let's address a common worry: cholesterol. For decades, eggs were unfairly labeled as a bad food for the heart. But modern research shows that for most healthy seniors, eating eggs in moderation, 1 to 2 per day, does not raise heart disease risk. In fact, the benefits, muscle repair, better bone density, sharper brain function, far outweigh the cholesterol concern, especially when eggs are part of a balanced diet. And eggs aren't just healthy, they're versatile and fun to cook with. You can boil them for a quick snack, scramble them with vegetables, bake them into a frittata, or enjoy them sunny side up. Pairing eggs with whole grains like brown rice or leafy greens like spinach creates a powerful muscle-protecting meal that costs less than many packaged snacks. So the next time you crack open an egg, don't just think of it as breakfast. Think of it as a shield, protecting your muscles, fueling your independence, and reminding you that strength after 60 doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes, the answer really is as simple as an egg. Chapter 2: Rice. When most people think of foods that fight muscle loss, rice usually isn't the first thing that comes to mind. After all, it's not rich in protein like eggs or walnuts. But here's a hidden truth: without energy from foods like rice, your body may never get the chance to properly use the protein you eat. Rice is not just a filler food, it's the silent partner that makes your protein work harder for you. Let's break this down in simple terms. Imagine your body as a construction site. Protein is the bricks and cement, the actual material needed to build strong muscles. But rice is the energy, the workers on the site, who put the bricks together. Without energy, your body can end up burning protein just to survive instead of sending it to your muscles. That means even if you eat plenty of eggs, chicken, or beans, without carbohydrates like rice, a big part of that protein is wasted. For seniors, this is especially important. Many older adults feel tired, weak, or lose their appetite. Rice provides a gentle, easily digestible source of steady energy. Unlike sugary foods that spike your blood sugar and leave you drained, rice releases glucose more slowly, giving your body fuel for longer periods. This steady energy keeps you active and allows your muscles to use protein for repair, not for emergency energy. Now, let's talk about the types of rice. White rice is the most common, and yes, it can still be part of a healthy senior diet. It's soft, easy to chew, and provides quick energy. But if you want an even bigger nutritional punch, brown rice and wild rice are excellent choices. Brown rice gives you fiber, which helps digestion stay smooth, along with B vitamins and minerals like magnesium, essential for healthy muscle contractions and preventing cramps. Wild rice, while more expensive, offers even more protein and antioxidants, making it a true superfood. Another great feature of rice is affordability. A bag of rice can last weeks, costs very little, and pairs beautifully with almost any protein or vegetable. Seniors on a tight budget can rely on rice as a foundation food, building balanced, muscle-supporting meals without financial strain. A bowl of rice with eggs and spinach, or rice with beans and avocado, is both nourishing and cost-effective. Cultural traditions also highlight rice's importance. From Asia to the Middle East to Latin America, rice has been a staple food for centuries, sustaining entire populations with energy and strength. There's a reason it's still on tables today. It works. Rice may not carry the same reputation as protein-packed foods, but it is the quiet hero in your fight against sarcopenia. It provides the fuel your body needs to use protein effectively, keeps your energy steady, and ensures that every bite of protein you eat goes toward building strength, not just survival. Chapter 3. Spinach. When you look at a handful of spinach, it might not seem powerful. It's light, leafy, and fragile. But don't be fooled. This green leaf is a hidden warrior, packed with nutrients that can protect your muscles, bones, and overall health, especially after the age of 60. I often call spinach the silent shield, because while it doesn't shout with flavor or calories, it quietly strengthens your body from the inside out. One of the most important gifts spinach gives is iron. Iron helps carry oxygen in your blood, delivering fuel to your muscles and preventing fatigue. Seniors often feel tired, dizzy, or weak because their iron levels are low. Adding spinach regularly can boost oxygen flow and make daily activities feel easier. Alongside iron, spinach also provides magnesium, which is like the switch that helps your muscles contract and relax properly. Without enough magnesium, cramps, stiffness, and nighttime leg pain become common struggles. But here's something most people don't know. Spinach is rich in natural nitrates. These compounds help widen your blood vessels, improving circulation. Better circulation means more nutrients reach your muscles, keeping them nourished and helping them recover faster after activity. This is a hidden advantage for seniors. Better blood flow not only supports muscles but also protects the heart. Spinach is also loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin A, and beta-carotene. These antioxidants fight oxidative stress, a hidden danger that accelerates muscle breakdown as we age. By fighting off free radicals, spinach helps slow down the aging process at the cellular level. Imagine it as a little green bodyguard, blocking the silent attacks of aging that you can't see but definitely feel. Another benefit is how friendly spinach is for weight management. Many seniors worry about gaining weight or struggle with slow digestion. Spinach is extremely low in calories but very high in nutrients and fiber. That means you can eat plenty of it without guilt. Fiber also helps keep your digestive system healthy, preventing constipation and supporting gut health, which is increasingly important with age. Practicality is another reason spinach shines. You can toss it into scrambled eggs, stir it into soups, blend it in smoothies, or sauté it with garlic and olive oil. Even a small handful added to your plate daily makes a noticeable difference. For those who find raw spinach a bit hard to chew, lightly cooking it makes it softer and even increases the absorption of certain nutrients, like calcium. Spinach proves that you don't need heavy, expensive foods to guard your muscles. Sometimes, the most delicate-looking foods carry the strongest protective power. By making spinach a regular guest on your plate, you give your muscles the minerals, antioxidants, and circulation boost they need to fight back against sarcopenia, quietly, powerfully, and deliciously. Chapter 4. Walnuts. When you crack open a walnut, it almost looks like a little brain, and that's no coincidence. Nature designed this nut not only to feed your muscles but also to protect your memory and brain health. For seniors over 60, walnuts are a true treasure because they bring together protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants in one crunchy package. Let's start with the protein. Each handful of walnuts gives your body the building blocks it needs to repair and protect muscles from sarcopenia. While walnuts don't have as much protein as eggs, the protein they do contain comes with an added bonus: healthy fats. These fats are what make walnuts so special. Unlike many snacks that only fill you up, walnuts nourish you deeply. The star nutrient here is alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3s are powerful inflammation fighters. As we age, low-level inflammation builds up silently in the body, causing stiff joints, sore muscles, and slower recovery after activity. Walnuts act like a natural fire extinguisher, calming inflammation and keeping your muscles and joints flexible. That means fewer aches, less stiffness, and more freedom to move. Walnuts also contain magnesium, which works hand in hand with protein to keep muscles contracting smoothly. If you've ever woken up with a painful leg cramp at night, low magnesium may be part of the problem. Adding a small portion of walnuts to your day can help reduce those unpleasant surprises. Now, let's talk about the brain. Walnuts are rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, both of which protect your brain cells from oxidative stress, the silent damage that accelerates memory loss. Studies have shown that seniors who eat walnuts regularly perform better on memory tests and feel sharper mentally. Isn't it incredible that one small nut can strengthen both your muscles and your mind at the same time? Another hidden benefit is how satisfying walnuts are. Just a small handful can curb hunger, stabilize blood sugar, and prevent unhealthy snacking. This is important for seniors managing weight or diabetes. Instead of reaching for cookies or chips, a few walnuts keep you fueled and protect your health. Practical use is easy too. Walnuts can be eaten plain as a quick snack, sprinkled over oatmeal or yogurt, added to salads, or even blended into sauces. Their versatility means you can enjoy them in sweet or savory meals, without getting bored. Walnuts remind us that sometimes the most powerful foods are small, simple, and easy to overlook. With every bite, you're not just fighting muscle loss, you're also protecting your brain, easing inflammation, and fueling your body with steady energy. For seniors, that's the perfect combination: strength, clarity, and vitality, all inside a humble shell. Chapter 5. Avocado. When you think of fruit, you probably imagine something sweet like an apple, banana, or orange. But avocado is different. It's creamy, rich, and filled not with sugar, but with healing fats and nutrients. For seniors over 60, avocado is more than just a trendy food, it's a powerful ally in the fight against sarcopenia. Unlike most fruits, avocado is packed with healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats are heart protective, but they also play a vital role in reducing inflammation. Why does that matter? Because inflammation is one of the hidden dangers behind muscle loss. Stiff joints, sore muscles, and slow recovery often have inflammation at their core. By calming inflammation, avocado helps your body protect the muscle you already have and rebuild the muscle you may have lost. But avocado's gifts don't stop at healthy fats. It's also loaded with potassium, a mineral that keeps your muscles contracting smoothly. Low potassium is one of the biggest reasons seniors experience muscle cramps, weakness, or fatigue. Just half an avocado provides more potassium than a banana, without the sugar spike. Alongside potassium, avocado offers magnesium, another mineral that supports both muscles and nerves. This 1-2 punch of potassium and magnesium is like a natural safeguard against nighttime cramps, shaky legs, and weakness. Another key nutrient in avocado is vitamin E. This antioxidant protects your cells from oxidative stress, the silent damage that accelerates aging and weakens muscle fibers. By fighting this hidden danger, vitamin E helps your muscles recover faster and stay resilient. At the same time, vitamin E also supports skin and eye health, offering seniors an added bonus. One of the best things about avocado is how easy it is to eat. Many seniors struggle with chewing tough meats or digesting heavy foods. Avocado, on the other hand, is soft, creamy, and easy to prepare. Spread it on whole grain toast, mash it into guacamole, slice it over rice, or blend it into smoothies. The options are endless. It also pairs beautifully with eggs, spinach, and walnuts, making it a perfect addition to the other muscle-friendly foods we've discussed. Another overlooked benefit is satiety. Because avocado is rich in healthy fats and fiber, it keeps you full longer, preventing overeating and helping with weight management. This is especially important for seniors who want to stay energized without gaining unnecessary weight. In the end, avocado is more than a fruit, it's a healer. With its blend of healthy fats, minerals, and antioxidants, it provides seniors with the perfect combination of nourishment and comfort. It's creamy, versatile, and surprisingly powerful. By making avocado part of your daily routine, you give your muscles the fuel, protection, and recovery support they need to stay strong, even after 60. My friends, we've taken a journey together, through eggs, rice, spinach, walnuts, and avocado. Each of these humble, affordable foods carries a secret weapon against one of the greatest hidden dangers of aging: sarcopenia. Muscle loss may feel like a health time bomb ticking away after 60, but the truth is this: you are not powerless. You have real choices, right in your kitchen, that can rebuild strength, restore energy, and keep independence firmly in your hands. If you found value here, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who could use some encouragement, and subscribe for more senior health tips. Together, let's keep building stronger, healthier, and more independent lives, because your best years are still ahead of you.